Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a simple CRM workflow with Pipedrive for recruiters. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Pipedrive account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the sign up steps. Once logged in, navigate to the pipeline section on the left sidebar. Click on Add Pipeline to create a new pipeline dedicated to your recruiting process. Name your pipeline something like Recruitment Workflow. Next, define the stages that candidates will go through in your recruitment process. Common stages may include application received, phone screen, interview, and offer made. Click on Save to create your pipeline with the defined stages. To start adding candidates, go to the Deals section in your newly created pipeline. Click on Add Deal to create a new entry for each candidate. Fill in the candidate's name and select the appropriate stage in the pipeline. You can also add additional details like the candidate's contact information and resume link. Next, set up custom fields to track specific information about each candidate. Go to the Settings gear icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on Custom Fields and then select Deals. Add fields such as position applied for and interview date. Once the fields are created, go back to To automate tasks, navigate to the Automation section in the settings. Click on Create Workflow, and choose a starting trigger for your automation. For example, you might set a trigger for when a deal moves to the interview stage. Next, define the actions you want to automate, like sending an email to the candidate. Use the email feature to create a template that will automatically send when the trigger occurs. After setting up your automation, click Save to finalize it. Now, set reminders for follow-ups to ensure you stay on track with candidates. Go back to your pipeline and select a deal. Click on Add Activity, and choose the type of follow-up you need to schedule. You can set this to remind you a day or two before the interview or application deadline. As you progress through the recruitment process, update each candidate's status in your pipeline. This will allow you to visualize where each candidate stands in your workflow. Regularly review your pipeline to identify trends, such as which stages take the longest. Finally, take advantage of Pipedrive's reporting features to analyze your recruitment effectiveness. Use these insights to refine and improve your workflow over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.